In this video, I'm going to
How
show
to
share notes with somebody on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do. Let's begin and first open up your notes. Here I got some. And now all I need to hold on the note that I want to share. And in the menus that comes up, hit Share Note. Now there I need to choose the way to share this note. I can use messages, mail, Telegram, and a bunch of other different ways. And also their share options. And make sure that by default permission for a deed. That note is turned on, so anyone can make changes in that. In the note that you share. So if you want to just view only, select view only from other permission. And also you can allow for other people to add any other people that they want. So any people will be able to share this note with the other people. So you can disable that option or hit just view only just to share this note. So, guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.